Good morning, everyone. So, today's topic is budgeting of load balancer with Airtel Wi Fi, with Jio Wi Fi, with power support under 5000 rupees. So, let's begin the topic. This is Airtel Fiber ONT. This will be cost an installment of 2000 rupees for 3 months. Okay. The Airtel visitor will come and install at your home or office or your working place. Second, we will install as a Wi-Fi of Geo Fiber ONT under 2000 rupees. Maybe price will be up and down due to the crisis of chip shortage. So do not notice that you will get an accurate price on it. Second, this is the Cat 6 and Cat 5 cable. It cost per meter 37 rupees. As your use, you can extend your cable. Of must you try the cable of best in market is D-Link. Use the Cat 6 cable of D-Link. Second, this is the load balancer of TP-Link. Model number TLR47OT plus. It will cost around 3000 rupees. These are the flow. The Airtel network and Jio network will be connected with a load balancer. It means any network will be go down or Airtel or Jio, there will be backup as a one network, Airtel or Jio. So it will connect it same as a Cat cable 6 with a Jio Wi-Fi ONT or a mini home Wi-Fi router extension. It will provide all your house or all your device that connect each other Wi-Fi and your access device. Here we had written. So we see as a power support system, mini UPS. Just as you can purchase a mini power bank or a mini power station, install on your backupping a network that your whatever you're running on your home, it will be not lose the connection of the Wi-Fi. This is the allotted budget, load balancer access point, managing power point. The load balancer and the router of second must use the TP-Link. In the Indian market, TP-Link provide budget router and quality router. Delay power system is a mini UPS. Its cost, you can see the I had prepared this chart for a small understanding of point of how the load balancer work with your two Wi-Fi, and it's give output at a one network of router. It will be available 24-hour network at your home. If anyone by chance get down, the second will be in the backup. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, there is my contact number, my contact email ID, and it is thankful for your all most welcome on the chat bot.